Good morning, Karma babies. How you doing this morning? Let me get the seatbelt on. I want the long arm of the Lord to come down on me for not having my seatbelt, you know. This is a small town, but you know, I guess they have to have revenue too. So one way to get it is to catch you without your seatbelt on. And I don't know what they charge you for that, for not having your seatbelt on, but I know it's not free. Any money, you know, it's money that you could have used somewhere else. So make sure I've got my seatbelt on. Got a stop sign here. Okay, who stopped first? We got a four-way stop sign here. I think the law says if two people come to a stop sign at the same time, the guy to the right should go first. I think that's the way it is. It's been a while since I had to reapply for my driver's license. Okay, I'm gonna go. Oh, you probably wondering where GrannyKarma is. GrannyKarma is at home. GrannyKarma is doing something around the house. She said she never get a chance to clean the house.
Hey guys, how you doing? I'm in my backyard, part of the backyard anyway. Sheila, the lady that I know in town that helps us with so many things, guys. She's here helping me in the yard. I started pulling a vine over here, guys, and all of this fell. I said, let me show my Karma babies what I'm doing when I'm not up at #HighwayChronicles. I'm always working, guys.
Yep.
So yeah, right, Sheila?
That's it.
Sheila will tell you we work around here. So I'm gonna, you know what? I think I just have a, I don't know. I think it's just a vine pulling that down. So I'm just gonna cut this vine here, Sheila. What do you think? Yeah, there it is. See?
I need to take them snips.
Wrapped around there.
Snips and cut that limb.
Yeah.
That
That whole limb. You think I could take that whole thing down? I don't
Yeah, that
know.
snip.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
With this?
Yep.
See, Sheila teaches me all kinds of things. This?
That's it.
Oh, Sheila, I'll never be able to do that.
Yeah.
It's too big.
I'll get it.
Okay, see, guys, so I'm going to leave it for Sheila. I'm going to show you guys Sheila so you can see Sheila. Sheila, say hello to the Karma babies. Okay.
Hey, how y'all doing?
That's my Sheila. We're out here working hard, guys. So say hey to the Karma babies.
Hey, and we're trying to get this messed up.
Yeah, we got a lot. You guys can see this yard. Yep. We have a lot of work to do, guys.
Get on it.
So we'll talk to you guys in a little while. Sheila don't like to stand around and talk.
No, I like to work.
But she's going to get it done, guys. She is, look at that. Guys, I don't believe it. Oh my goodness, she really showing off now, guys. Yes, but I couldn't even get it around there, and you just snapped that whole thing off. And now we got to get it out of the yard and get it in the front and all that so it can get picked up. But we got lots of work to do. This is the back, and we got to go. There's another side over there too, all the way around, and another side. So let me get back to work, guys. I love you. But this is why I'm not always here. I always have something to do. See, Sheila said, I'm telling you. Guys, I love you, and I'll see you very soon. Okay, babies? Bye-bye now.
What kind of baby?
Let me see if I can reset this camera a little bit. Yeah, I think that's a little bit better there. Yeah, GrannyKarma is around the house, pillow patting, as you say, around the house, and doing some cleaning and things. So she'll probably be on here after a while. But right now, I'm going to another town. This little town is called Meridian, Mississippi. Meridian, Mississippi. Meridian has a lot of things that our little town don't have. You know, we got. You know, there's more people there, you know. We just have over 3,000 people here, a little over 3,000 people. I mean, everybody knows everybody, you know. It's some advantages of living in a small town, and there are disadvantages too. You know, some of the advantages are, you know, you get things done right away. You don't have to worry about it. Like if you're in a big city, you might call the city to get something done, and it might take them 3 weeks, a month, if it's that. But I know the director of the public works here. You know, not that he's doing me anything special favors, because he'd do it to anybody. But you know, I told him what I needed. I needed some work on my driveway in conjunction with the where the city connects to my property at. And he was out there the same day, took care of it. You know, how you don't get that to happen in a big city? It just doesn't happen in a big city. You know, the license plates in this county it costs more than it does in a big city. It's one price in a big city, I think. But here, it depends on what year your car is. If you got a newer model car, you pay more for the license plate. That make sense? To them, I guess it does. Because I guess they figure their logic is that if you can afford a new car, you probably can afford pay more for your license plates. That's why you can't pay for your license plate. You're paying all the money on your new car, you idiot. But hey, you can rationalize anything if you try hard enough, you know what I mean? Let me take a look here and see if, hey, you know, I'm feeling better. I used to couldn't even turn my head like this and look for a car because it used to hurt my neck, but now I can look all the way down. Thank God for that. Okay. It just feels so good to be able to get out and enjoy the sunshine. You know, people have no idea how blessed they are just to have the sunshine in your face. You know, what if you are laying up in your bed just sick? You know, those people would love to see the sunshine. You know, what if you're in jail looking up at the ceilings? You know, if people kill to see the sunshine. Well, I better not use the word kill to see the sunshine, because it might be why they're in jail in the first place. I don't know. Let's see, this thing keep falling down. I need GrannyKarma here. Okay. The camera keep falling down. That's why I need GrannyKarma here, because she know how to fix that thing, you know. The only thing I know how to do is just run my mouth, you know. I know how to do that, but she's the technical person, you know. It's just the opposite, you know. And that's why you need somebody that's different from you. You know, you don't need anybody that's the same as you are, because hey, you already know what you know. You need somebody that's different from you, that can tell you things that you don't know. You learn something from and things, you know. I said that to say this. GrannyKarma is good at doing what she does as far as the videos and knowing how to get there, have patience and things like that. And that's what she does. And normally you would think of a man that's doing stuff like that, you know. And I do the cooking, so it's just the opposite. They usually think of the woman as doing the cooking, but I do the cooking and she do the technical stuff. So figure that out, you know. Who knows? Whatever works, though, you know. I've got. I'll have to think about this one. Tell me. I've got like a riddle for you. I don't know if she's gonna send this through or not, but just have a little fun, you know. A man and his son was driving in their car one day, and somebody ran the light and they had a terrible accident. And the father died. And the ambulance came and they rushed the son to the hospital. Took him to the operating room, and the surgeon on duty say, Oh my goodness. Say what? Say, I can't operate on this person. Why? Because that's my son. How could that be? He just died. The father just died. Well, you tell me. All right. So you tell me how is that? Okay. The surgeon says, I can't operate on this kid. This is my son. Okay. So, I'm headed to Meridian, Mississippi. And I've got a few stops to make. I got a few stops to make. I've got to get a protective shield like that glass that you use over your iPhone. I'm surprised that I haven't broken it already. I'm good for breaking it, you know. But I see if I can get a protector of some type over there so that I can protect my phone. These phones cost a lot of money, you know. But okay, we'll see you later. And I'm on my way. I don't have a bell to ring anything.